Are you struggling to filter large volumes of data in Microsoft Power BI? Meet the Input Slicer, a powerful visual that lets you type values directly into a slicer to filter your report. No more endless scrolling through long drop-down lists. Here's what you need to know. What can you do with the Input Slicer? Quickly narrow down reports by typing full or partial values, whether it's an order ID, customer name, or product code. Instead of selecting items one by one, simply type what you're looking for and let Power BI do the filtering instantly. How to get started? Create sample data in a blank report. In Power BI Desktop, go to Modeling, then New Table and enter your DAX expression. Then build a simple bar chart using product and sales so you can see the slicer in action. How it works. Add the Input Slicer from the Visualizations pane and drag your desired field such as product into the field well. Type a value like A and press Enter. Matching results instantly appear such as apple, banana, date, grape. Advanced filtering options. Choose how your input matches your data using operators like contains, starts with, or exact match. You can also switch between allowing multiple values or limiting the slicer to a single selection. Where this shines. Perfect for sales teams reviewing specific accounts, support teams searching for tickets, or any scenario that requires fast, precise filtering across large datasets. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.